Welcome to KUMARABHUVANAM learning. We are going to learn about fraction, that is an introduction to the fraction. What is fraction? See in this picture a girl named Rita. She is having a one chapati, that is you will say full chapati. We also say that whole chapati. Let us see how she is going to share this chapati with her friend. Now her friend Reena came to her house. Rita says, "Hi Reena." Reena says, "Hi Rita, how are you?" Rita replies, "I am fine. I am having one chapati. Come, let's share and eat." Now they are going to share the chapati. How they are sharing this chapati? See, they are dividing the whole chapati into two pieces. Rita is getting one piece and Reena is getting one more piece. So both are equally shared the whole chapati. That is, whole chapati is divided into how much? Two pieces. How you'll write it in a number? This may be written as like this. 1 is equal to 1 by 2 chapati to Rita and 1 by 2 chapati to Reena. 1 by 2 means what you will say? It is half. That is half chapati to Rita and half chapati to Reena. See in this picture how the both are equally shared. That is Rita got half chapati and Reena got half chapati. So they are equally dividing the whole chapati into two halves. Now let us see how the fractions can be written. First I am taking a full chapati. Full means whole chapati. See, I am dividing the whole chapati into two pieces. That is, each share can be written as how I can write the each piece 1 by 2. That is half. One piece is half. Now I am dividing the whole chapati into three pieces. So I am getting three pieces. How I write a one piece in a fraction form? 1 by 3, because total number of pieces is 3. So I am writing one piece as 1 by 3. Now I am dividing the whole chapati into 4 pieces. So that I am getting 4 pieces. So I am writing 4 in the denominator. For each piece, for one piece, how I will write the fraction? 1 by 4. So like this I want to write for all the pieces 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means quarter. Now let us see what is numerator. The number written above the line is a numerator. Okay. Now I am taking a number 4 by 7. In this, where is the number 4 is replaced? 4 is in the above the line. So in this fraction, the numerator is what? 4. Now let us see what is denominator. The number written below the line is a denominator. Take an example, 9 by 11. In this number, where is the 11? 11 is below the line. Okay. So in this fraction, the denominator is what? 11. So all the numbers, numbers can be written in the fraction form. See, the numbers may be written like this only. 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 9 by 8, 17 by 11. Like this you can write the fractions form. There are types of fractions. They are what? Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. We will see about these fractions detailed in next videos. Keep watching my video. See, I have taken examples for you. I have given some pictures, shaded pictures. You have to write like this. I have done for you one. One part is how much part colored? Only one part is colored. How many parts are divided? 4 parts are divided. So total number of parts how much? 4. So I have divided right hand in the denominator. Colored part should be right in the numerator. Therefore fraction is 1 by 4. Like this you want to write for all these pictures. Rectangle, triangle, square. Okay, like this you want to write for all the shaded figures. You want to write the colored portion fraction. Okay, for this total number of parts should be written in the denominator and number of colored parts are written on the numerator. Okay, be carefully write it. Number of colored parts in the numerator and total number of parts in the denominator. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.